Hey guys, in this video we will see how to transfer balance from a Disney e-gift card into a physical Disney gift card so that we can use it at the parking and many other places where e-gift cards are not allowed in theme parks. So this is how we need to do. Just search for your nearest Disney store. Yeah, I found one. I go into the store, look for any minimum valued gift cards like $25 or something, and go directly to the counter, purchase the physical gift card for $25 and just roam around in the store for some time. If you're bored, then just get back to your home and we'll start working on this. So once you head back to your home, just check the balance on your e-gift card by going to the Disney gift card website. This is how we can go there. Just Google in Disney gift card balance check. There you will be asked to enter the account number and EAN number. So what are those? You can see by clicking the what is this link. So it will describe what that number means. Now for the extended account number, that is just a 8-digit PIN number on your e-gift card. So take the 16-digit account number from the e-gift card, enter it here, and the 8-digit PIN number, and click on get balance. You will have the balance there. Then just go and click the 3 lines on the top left corner and go to transfer balance. Here you can enter the from gift card number and the to gift card number and click transfer balance so that the balance goes from the from gift card to the to gift card, and the to gift card should be your physical gift card. Sorry, I don't have the screens for the transfer balance. So that's all, we are done. Now on the other hand, if you want to maintain a set of gift cards, just click on the top 3 lines in the left corner and create an account for yourself just by creating an email address and entering that here and a password. So you'll be able to create an account in gift card website, and then you can go to this link, my cards, and manage all your gift cards. Now if you want to sell your physical gift card, you can do so in eBay. Like, just create a seller profile and mention the shipping fees, create and sell it out. On the other hand, if you want to know how to create a seller profile in eBay, maybe we will look at it in some other video. Thanks for watching guys. Hope this video is useful for you. Bye.